I got so much motherfucking design on right now.
Break it down, bring it back, make it clap. I got 3 old thoughts, new block, where that thing. Bitches on my line, and you know.
Do you know, guys, about presupposition and entailment? So let's relearn something about presupposition and entailment.
Presuppositions are assumptions or background information that is assumed to be known or true before the speaker makes a statement or sentence. An example for presupposition is that if someone said, "John, quit smoking," the presupposition is that John used to smoke. This presupposition is considered to be known or true before the statement is made. After we know what presupposition is, let's also know what entailment is.
Entailment adalah hubungan logis antara dua pernyataan, di mana jika satu pernyataan benar, maka pernyataan lainnya juga harus benar. An example for entailment yaitu jika kita memiliki pernyataan semua manusia adalah makhluk hidup, maka entailment dari pernyataan ini adalah humans are living creatures. If the first statement is true, the second statement must also be true, because all humans are part of living creatures.
There are 8 types of presupposition. The first one is called existential presupposition. This type occurs when a statement assumes the existence of something. An example in the sentence, John met his sister. The existential presupposition is that John had a sister. The second type is presupposition of antecedent. This presupposition arises when a statement assumes that an action or step has occurred previously. Example, he stopped playing. The presupposition is that he has played before. Let's go on with the next one, which is effective presupposition. This type arises when the statement assumes the truth of subordinate clause. This can be seen in the following example. He realized that Mary was pregnant. The presupposition is that Mary was indeed pregnant. Next, for the 4 times is non-effective presupposition. Non-effective presupposition are also related to immediate clauses but are different from factive presupposition. An example, he regrets that Mary is pregnant. The presupposition is that speaker believes that Mary is pregnant but doesn't say it is a reality. The 5th type is lexical presupposition. This presupposition relates to certain words or phrases in a sentence. For example, the verb quit in the sentence, he quit smoking, assumes that he previously smoked. The 6th type is definitive description. The preposition of a definitive description arises when a phrase such as the President of United States assumes that there is a unique individual in the role. Next, for the 7th type is structural presupposition. This type is related to the syntactic structure of the sentence. For example, John regrets that he ate the cake, presupposes that John actually ate the cake. The last type is presupposition triggers. These are words or phrases that often indicate a presupposition. Example, include words like again, also, and back. But what about the projection problem?
In the context of presupposition, the problem of projection refers to the question of how the presupposition of an immediate clause, subordinate clause, is applied to the large sentence or clause containing it. For example, John didn't know that Maria was married. The presupposition that Maria was married may not be projected into the main sentence, so that the main sentence remains true even though Maria is actually not married. In the context of entailment, the projection problem is concerned with how the logical consequence of one statement or clause are applied to a large sentence. For example, in the sentence, all humans are living creatures and John is a human, the entailment that Unit a living creation can be projected from the first clause to the entire sentence.
Next, we have to explain what is ordered entailment. Ordered entailment is a concept in linguistics and semantics that describes a logical relationship between two or more statements or sentences in which one statement generates or obligates another statement in certain time sequence or hierarchy. Ordered entailment is often seen in narratives or stories. For example, in a story about a person's journey, an initial statement such as "he went to the airport" becomes the basic for subsequent statements such as "he got on the plane" and finally, "he arrives at his destination." This sequence is important to understanding the plot of the story. Example of ordered entailment in an argument. Premise 1. All humans are creatures with reason. Premise 2. Socrates is a human being. Conclusion. Socrates is a creator who has reason.
Thank you guys for watching this video. We hope that after watching this video, we can increase our knowledge. And bye!